Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the April Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also get lots of free exclusive stuff when you're a subscriber. So you're going to start with a sample of gourmet coffee. You're going to get a free exclusive cut file. This month is this awesome scissor background cut file. So if you have a digital die cutter, you can cut that out. Super cute background. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts, and then the design team creates these layouts and then gives you the cutting and assembly instructions and then a color photograph of the finished layout. So you can create right along with our talented design team. We also have 3 add-ons that coordinate with our flavors of the month, so you can have your kit bulked up and go even further. So you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. This month, our 4 collections are 49th and Market, Artful Moments from Vicki Boutin, Echo Park French Girl, the Echo Park Craft Room, which is just gorgeous, can't wait to show you, and Simple Stories Rustic Legend. So we have a great guy collection this month, and I know those are few and far between, so I hope you love this month's kit. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. The first collection we're going to look at is 49 and Market Artful Moments. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have Starters Paper 6, which is this great pieced together sunburst in the green and the blue and a little bit of purple with a neutral over here, so it makes a great background, even has the stitching on there. The back is a white paint splatter, full 12 by 12 or full 12-inch branding strips. We have Starter Paper 5, which is a mixed media background. Back is a craft background, a little pencil border here, and then Starters Paper 8, which is the rainbow of tags. These are super cute. You could cut these apart and just use a few of them in a rainbow, put them in strips. So many ideas you can do with those tags. The back is a rainbow grid. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, I love 49 and Market because you get so many embellishments in their packs. So you're going to get an assortment of the journaling bits, the icons and titles ephemera, and some chipboard. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits. This down here is the chipboard pieces, and the rest of this is that heavyweight cardstock ephemera pieces. So that is Artful Moments from 49 and Market. Our next collection is French Girl from Cartabella. And I think I said Echo Park in the beginning, which Echo Park produces Cartabella, but this is that heavyweight textured cardstock of Cartabella. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. We have this pattern paper with all the different bows, a black with white polka dot. That paper is called Bonjour Bows, with a large black polka dot on white, and the back is a aqua grid. That paper is called Perfect Polka Dots. We have this one with all the little French boutiques, and the back is this kind of mauve grid design, Boutiques in Paris. It's a beautiful color scheme. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border of the Eiffel Tower, a border of the roses, word labels, lots of the little girls here in French attire and backdrops. It's just super cute. I love the little phone here and the umbrella. So that is French Girl from Cartabella. The next collection we're going to look at is Craft Room from Echo Park. And this, I am absolutely in love with this. I love the color scheme. I love the icons, the florals. Of course, scrappy goodness is always great. Just a really great collection, and you can use it for even more than just documenting your craftiness. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this paper with the cameras, the Polaroids and the little Polaroid photos with little phrases here Just love it. The back, all of the B-sides are awesome. The back is a pink polka dot. That paper is called Capturing Magic. And then we have the stripes to pull in all of the colors. The back is another floral, or a floral in the pink on pink. This one's Make Something stripes. And then this gorgeous floral here with the different colors. You could fussy cut some of these out for embellishments, but I love the color scheme. The back is kind of a lime green leaf tone on tone. That one is called ScrapRoom Floral. So see what I mean by you could scrapbook anything. This is just great spring colors, beautiful. Your embellishments are going to include some enamel dots. So I got a row of the pink ones, and you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So these all will vary among the kits, but I got the alphabet here in the different colors, and then this one with icons. So that is ScrapRoom from Echo Park. Our next collection is Rustic Legend from Simple Stories. And I love a good manly collection, and this one is awesome. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. We have this paper called Instant Classic, which is the records, and we have pops of color in there. The back is a denim print, and it has the gold stitching as well. This is Low Key Awesome, which is a stripe with all of the different colors, and the back is this awesome ledger. So I know I'm going to be using that one as a background. I love that. And then we got the journal elements, which I always love because they're great journaling pieces, but they usually have things you can fussy cut for embellishments. They're just great tuck-ins, and I love that they're all different sizes. The back is this kind of a blueprint with the red. Super cute. So one more look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1 side of the sticker sheet, so all of the embellishments will vary, but this is the side that I got, and then you're going to get assortment of the chipboard pieces. So that is what I received. So that is Rustic Legend from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons as well as the Shots of Life. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of inspiration from the design team, lots of videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Download all of your freebies. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.